Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 32316. The job location is in Texas City, Texas. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: AWS Lambda, NoSQL, EMR, EC2, Athena, DynamoDB, ETL, working experience in implementing Kafka, Cassandra, working experience in various types of file data formats such as CSV, JSON, HTML, etc., Snowflake, Matillion, Databricks, good knowledge in AWS services such as Redshift, CloudFort, autoscaling, etc. Candidate with waste management domain knowledge will be a plus. Candidate should be able to interact with client stakeholders, and business analysts and understand the requirements involved in the design and development of application. Coordinate with offshore team in the development of the application and testing. Candidate should work on the ongoing project to meet timelines and hence require solid skills in Python and AWS. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 7 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.